Assalamu alaikum. Today, we will discuss the objectives of the life of Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, in the light of various sources and compatible activities. To understand his life, we should use various sources, including the Quran, Hadith, and historical references. 1. Quran? The most significant source for understanding the life of Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, is the Quran. The Quran is the revelation from Allah, and it contains guidance from Allah and mentions the teachings and practices of the Prophet. The Quran provides insight into his character, knowledge, and leadership. 2. Hadith? Hadith, a collection of sayings, actions, and approvals of the Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, is another crucial source for understanding his life. Authentic collections such as Sahih Bukhari, Sahih Muslim. 3. Historical accounts. In historical accounts, we learn about Prophet Muhammad's, peace be upon him, life, including his migration from Mecca to Medina, his battles, the Treaty of Hudaybiyah, and other significant events. Many historians have detailed his life in various books dedicated to his biography. In this series, we will explore how the life of Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, can enlighten every aspect of our lives. If you want to join us on this journey, subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to receive notifications for each new video.